What is an arthropod? Today, we are going to talk about some fascinating creatures that live here on Earth. Arthropods. Arthropods are all around us. In fact, chances are you will find one, even if you stay inside all day. These creatures range in size from so tiny that they can barely be seen by the human eye, to up to a foot long. They are the most diverse group of animals on Earth, with over 1 million different species. Whoa! That is a lot of arthropods. Here's an interesting fact. The word arthropod comes from two Greek words, arthro, which means joint, and pod, which means foot. The three largest groups of arthropods are insects, arachnids, including spiders and mites, and crustaceans. Every habitat on Earth contains some type of arthropod. Crustaceans live in the water, and insects and arachnids live on land. They can live in frigid climates, mountainsides, tropical forests, and hot deserts. Talk about adaptable! Here is another interesting fact. The largest arthropods live in water and can weigh up to 40 pounds. Arthropods belong to the phylum Arthropoda and include 4 living subphyla. These 4 subphyla are Chelicerata, spiders, mites, and scorpions; Myriapoda, centipedes and millipedes; Hexapoda, insects; and Crustacea, lobsters, crabs, barnacles, shrimp, and crayfish. Most arthropods are segmented or divided into the head, thorax, and abdomen. The sections have pairs of jointed legs, which range from 2 to 200 in some millipedes. Like superheroes, they can walk up walls and other upright surfaces. Arthropods have a nervous system with a brain and nerve cords. In addition, they have an open circulatory system and digestive system from which they can convert numerous sources of food to energy. Their hard exoskeleton provides physical protection and helps them not to dry out. It is made of chitin, a hard material that cannot bend. Because of this, many arthropods are jointed so they can move around. Aquatic arthropods live in the water and use gills to exchange gases. The gills can absorb more oxygen because they have a large surface area in contact with the water. Some arthropods have gills modified for breathing air, like the coconut crab. In contrast, others have oxygen-absorbing skin, like the soldier crab. Terrestrial arthropods live on the land and have internal surfaces that help them exchange gases. They have a tracheal system where pores in the exoskeleton fill air sacs that lead into the body. Arthropods eat many different types of foods. Some eat plants, others eat animals, and some eat both. Usually, they have some form of appendage that helps them get food into their mouth. And some also have another appendage to deliver venom to their prey. Arthropods either lay eggs or give birth to live young. If an arthropod lays eggs, sometimes the hatchlings do not look like the same form as the adult. For example, they could have fewer segments or not have wings when born. Then the young arthropods grow these features as they get older. Some insects will hatch as larvae and develop into their adult form through metamorphosis. This happens with butterflies, flies, moths, wasps, and beetles. While some arthropods can cause a lot of damage by eating crops, chewing through wooden buildings, or carrying diseases, Most arthropods are beneficial to humans because they play a significant role in pollination. Arthropoda also inspire scientists and engineers to examine how arthropods solve problems. As a result, many inventions have come from looking at nature around us. Wow! We have just learned a lot about arthropods. Let's see what you remember. True or false? There are over 1 million different species of arthropods. True. What is the part of an arthropod that provides physical protection and helps them not dry out? Exoskeleton. Fill in the blank. A spider is a kind of arthropod called an blank, meaning it has 8 legs. Arachnid. Amazing job, arthropod experts! Arthropods play an important role in life as we know it on Earth. The next time you're outside, see how many arthropods you can spot out in the wild.
Hope you had fun learning with us. Visit us at learnbright.org for thousands of free resources and turnkey solutions for teachers and homeschoolers.